My name is Adrian, and today I'm going to show you how to add advertisement to Gamesalad for Tizen. So as you can see here, I uploaded the game. The only platform I have selected is Tizen. This particular game is from one of their templates. I didn't create an icon or anything. I call it Turkey Defender, and there's pretty much nothing here. It's just I already uploaded it and I generated the app, so now I'm going to click on download app. And as you can see, just finished downloading. It's Turkey Defender WGT1. You don't see it because it's outside of the screen. And then I go into the Tizen Studio, and there's information on the Tizen Studio in both the Gamesalad, how to install it, and the Tizen store. It's pretty straightforward, but if somebody has some difficulties, I could make a video of that too. I go into File, and I click on Import. I select Tizen project over here. Click on Next, and then I select Archive File. And I'm going to select the file that I downloaded from the Gamesalad publisher site. I'm going to click Open, and you see it says Turkey Defender. And make sure you come over here and you say Mobile. And I usually select 2.3 so that it covers all the devices that they currently have one out, the Z1, Z2, and Z3. And I click on Finish. And you should see at the Project Explorer of the Tizen Studio, it's going to have Turkey Defender. And so this is the app really. And if I'm going to close all these because some of these I already did. This is from my other project that I did ahead of time. Here's Turkey Defender, and to advertise in this video I am going to use Inmobi, and it's there's instructions to do this also on the Inmobi site for Tizen, and I'll provide those links and all the code in the bottom of the YouTube video. So the first thing I do, I go into index.html, and in this case, I want to put the ads in at the top. So I'm going to take this whole JavaScript, and I'll have a copy of this JavaScript, and it's also on the Inmobi website.
Those are all new. Yeah.
And I'm going to click. I'm just going to copy and paste it, and you'll do the same for your project. Go into index HTML. In between the body and the head, you paste it. This is my site ID here. You're going to have your own site ID. Then I'm going to go, and inside the body I'm going to add get add ID on mode, and this is standard for every one of the ones you do. The site ID might change for app, but I'm going to body, but not the rest of the stuff that you're copy and pasted. See, on mode, get add ID. Then you're going to go and copy and paste the div. In this case, div Tizen 15. Again, this is straight from their website, and I'm just copy and pasting it. So the only thing I really changed is from the items that were in the Inmobi website is this. This is my site ID. You have to have your own site ID. There's other options here. You see slot 15. They only cover 3 slots. You can look them up. It tests I have true. Manual equals true. It means it waits for this to be called the get ad ID instead of just calling it as soon as it loads, and the interval in seconds for the banner ad, which is 30, and 15 is a banner ad. Okay, so this is all you have to do to the end of this file in my example. I'll close it up. Then you're going to go into the CSS files, and I believe I put it in style.tizen for me. Let's see if I can find it in here. And apparently I did not put it in here. I put it in the other CSS file. So let's open GSS style. It doesn't really matter which one you put it in because it notes both of them. And you see I created a style for Tizen 15, which is the name of my div. And I'll explain it in a second. So, Z index, it tells me to put the ad all the way at the top. This particular ad unit is 32 width, so I wanted to center it so it's 32 width, and then I tell the left and the right margin to be auto. And that's all we do with this file. We click on save. Now that we made those modifications to the file, I right click. Oh, there's one other thing we need to do that I almost forgot. You go into the config XML, and this is the config XML Turkey Defender, which we just downloaded. And you click on source, and these are the items that you're going to have to copy and paste to, and these are exactly the same. And again, they're on both. They'll be both on the bottom of my website, of the YouTube channel, and they're on the Tizen store. And you have to give privileged internet to your app. And I just put it under application. And for Inmobi to be able to get the website, you have to give it access to any origin and subdomain true. So that's what I'm doing here. And there it is. Origin, any subdomain true. Save that. And then I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to build sign packages. And there it is. It's building. And there it is. Turkey Defender 1. It's a sign package. And that package will show advertisement on the top page. Now, since it is a web, I'll show you what it looks like and where the icon will show up. It doesn't really actually load the game, but you see, or the ad, but you see where particular ads are going to show up when it's done. So I'm going to launch index.html from the folder, and you see it's launching, and then you see it pop up right there. Hope this was useful for somebody, and I'll have some other ones. If anybody has any questions, just leave them at the end of the